welcome back to my channel. Hola a todos, bienvenidos a mi canal. So hoy mi video es un poco diferente. So as you guys can see, today's video is a little different than normal. So today I am uploading on Saturday just because I got everything that I needed for the giveaway and I'm just so excited. So I did a poll in my community section here on YouTube and majority of you guys suggested for me to upload this on Saturday instead of Tuesday. So if you guys want to keep up with me, you guys make sure you guys keep up with the community section because I will be asking you guys things and just interacting a lot more with you guys there. But anyways, I'm just so excited because I got everything in the mail that I needed to do this giveaway and I just can't wait to share with you guys everything that I'm going to be giving away. But I did want to take some time and thank each and every single person who is subscribed to my channel, who watches my videos, who likes, who comments. Honestly, thank you guys so much. From the bottom of my heart, I cannot tell you guys how much I appreciate every single person here with me, honestly, on my journey. I just really appreciate you guys, and I feel like the giveaways are a way of me just giving back to you guys and showing you guys my appreciation. So thank you guys so much for being here with me. Gracias a todos por estar aquí conmigo. Gracias por estar en mi canal. Gracias por ver mis videos, por darme likes, comentarios. Muchas gracias. Y estos giveaways siento que son una manera de enseñarles cómo tanto los aprecio. So muchas gracias por estar aquí conmigo. But anyways, let's get into what I will be giving away in today's video. So to start off, the main attraction in today's video is, para empezar, la primera cosa que voy a estar dando a hoy es este Macar House of Flores kit. So I am so excited because I've been using this lately. You guys already know I've been using this like non-stop. I really recommend it. I recommend Macar items. Honestly, they're so good. I really love them. So you guys already know I've been using this, and it comes with 12 different colors. It just has a huge variety of colors, and I just love it because you can use it literally all year round to create all kinds of nail sets. So I'm gonna open it up for you guys just to show you what it comes with. So les voy a enseñar lo que viene adentro. Para empezar, it has some dual forms. You guys already know, usually kits do come with dual forms. I just don't normally use them. So it has dual forms. It has two little papers. Well, not papers. This one is thank you. It says thank you on here. And then this one is the steps on how to do your nails. So that's that. And then, so this is the kit. As you guys can see right here, it has 12 different colors. You guys already know I reviewed this and I showed you guys. I did swatches, all that good stuff. If you guys are interested in that, check out my previous videos. But I've been using this honestly in so many videos. I normally tell you guys that I use the same kit over and over again just because I want to show you guys that you don't need to go out there and buy so many kits and so many things. You don't have to spend that much money. And also, if you guys are trying to save some money shopping with Macar, use my discount code Jenny_Fajes. But anyways, I do like to show you guys that you can reuse kits over and over again and create so many different looks, just because I personally don't have like millions of dollars to be spending like on a bunch of kits. So that's why I wanted to share with you guys this one, and I want to give this one away just because I really love it. I really love the consistency of every single kit from Macar, but I really been loving this one, and you guys already know because I've been using it non-stop. So this one obviously comes with the 12 colors, a base coat, a top coat, a nail file, and the little brush and little spatula on the other end. So that's what comes in this kit. So I'm so excited for the winner. You guys can recreate so many of my nail sets, so I'm so excited for that. Next item I will be giving away is this mini lamp from Macar. So you guys already know I received a PR package from them a while back. I forgot which kit it was, but I did receive one, and it came with a little lamp, which I am obsessed with. I feel like it's so pretty, so convenient, and I just really love it. So that's why I had to include it in here. So this comes with a little Macar paper with directions on how to use it, and then it shows a little bit of the product. So that comes in here. It comes with the cord, so you connect this to the little lamp, and then you obviously have to use the little block. But anyways, this is what the lamp looks like. So I have literally the exact same one, except mine says Macar right here. So I think it's so pretty. It's pink. And this is what this looks like. So también voy a estar dando esta lámpara. Me encanta esta lámpara. Yo ya tengo una igual. Me mandó una Macar hace tiempo. Me encanta esta lámpara. So I really love it. And oh my god, I just dropped it. So I really love it. And I just wanted you guys to fall in love with it as well. So that's why I got it. It's so tiny. And you guys can literally use it just to cure your hands really quickly. Your nails really quickly. So just to show you guys, the little cord goes in here. like that, and then you obviously connect this. So that's the second item that we'll be giving away in today's giveaway. Another item that I'm gonna be giving away are, so I filled this little thing up with little rhinestones. I had this, I don't remember what it came with, but I like finished everything, so I just filled it up with a bunch of little rhinestones. I filled it with gold and then like iridescent, like colorful ones. So as you guys can see right here, they're gold and just a bunch of them. So I just filled it up so you guys can have a bunch of these. So another item I will be giving away are these Gucci stickers right here. I think these are so pretty. Another item will be these Christmas ones, which I thought they were perfect because I'm hoping this gets to you guys before Christmas so you guys can do a Christmas nail set. And another item are these stickers right here. These are like always in style, so that's why I wanted to include these in today's giveaway. So I'll be giving away these 3 different stickers. So también voy a estar dando estos 3 diferentes stickers. Another item I will be giving away, so I will be giving away these little pickers. So I love using these to pick up the stickers. You guys already know, you guys see me do this in every single video, so I love these. So I will be including these, and I will also be including a little rhinestone picker. So that's when you just have to sharpen and then you can pick up the little rhinestone. So también voy a estar dando estas dos cosas para poder levantar los stickers y para poder levantar los little rhinestones que les enseñé ahorita. And the very last item I will be giving away, I'm so excited for, so drum roll please. So anyways, I will be giving away, let me see, let me get these out of here. I will be giving away, oh my god, let me fix them. My very first set of press-on nails. So the winner is going to be able to rock some nails that I myself did. So I'm so excited. Let me see. Okay. So this is what the whole set looks like. So let me hold it a little nicer. So this is what the press-on nails look like. I'm so excited for someone to be wearing these and to take pictures and to tag me. Honestly, I'm just so excited. My very first set of press-on nails. So como ven aquí, estos van a ser mi primer set de press-on nails. La ganadora va a poder usar estas uñas, va a poder poner fotos. So estoy muy emocionada para la persona que gane porque va a poder usar estos press-on nails. I just said that I'm so excited because the person who wins is going to be able to rock these nails that I made. I'm so excited because you guys already know that I want to start doing press-on nails, so I want to see how this goes. So yeah, these are it. It is literally like the same thing that I did for my last nail set that I showed you guys, so I'm so excited. I feel like the winner is going to look all winter wonderland, like super Christmassy, and I feel like if you rock these for Christmas, they're going to look so pretty in pictures. So that's going to be in here as well. And with that, I will be also giving this little box, as you guys see right here. It'll go in this little box, Christmas box. So it'll include a little nail file. Va a venir con una lima. It's also going to have a little cuticle pusher. Va a tener esto para limpiar la cutícula. And some KDS glue, which is the best glue, you guys. You guys can also use this on tips whenever you guys want to do your nails with Polygel and apply tips on. Use this, honestly. So también va a venir con este glue para poder aplicar las uñas. Y también les quería decir que esto también lo pueden usar cuando estén usando el Polygel. So si quieren aplicar tips, pueden usar este glue. Este glue me encanta. So yeah, you guys, that is going to be it for the giveaway. Eso es todo lo que voy a estar dando hoy para el giveaway. So estoy muy emocionada. I'm so excited for the winner. Honestly, I'm just so excited. So now moving on to the rules. So I wrote them down, so I'm going to be looking down, all right? So this will be open as of December 12th, which is today's Saturday, and it will close December 17th, and I will be announcing the winner December 18th on the community section. So voy a estar anunciando quién ganó Diciembre 18. Esto va a estar abierto de Diciembre 12 a Diciembre 17. So the rules are, you should be subscribed to my channel, turn on your post notifications bell button on, follow me on Instagram for an extra entry, and my Instagram is Jenny_Fajes. So si quieren entrar a este giveaway, tienen que estar suscribidos, prender la campanita, también seguirme en Instagram para tener un extra entry, para poder tener una extra, para entrar extra en el giveaway. So mi Instagram is Jenny_Fajes. You guys should also like and comment down below. You guys can comment anything, honestly, it does not matter. También tienen que like este video y comentar abajo, no importa lo que comenten, nada más con que comenten algo abajo. Y también, por favor, incluyan su Instagram o su email abajo en este comentario. So you guys, whatever you guys comment anything, but also please include your Instagram or an email I can reach you guys at. And that is it for today's video. Oh, and also, a few of you guys have been asking me for makeup tutorials. So if you guys are interested in that, let me know in the comments down below, because I would love to get back into doing makeup tutorials. That's the whole reason why I started this YouTube channel, but I just got into nails lately. If you guys want me to do makeup tutorials, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to upload 1 or 2 videos about that as well throughout the week. So también les quería decir que si están interesados en makeup tutorials de mí, por favor déjenme saber en los comentarios abajo. Me gustaría subir 1 a 2 videos a la semana también de maquillaje. Si están interesados, déjenme saber en los comentarios abajo. But anyways, you guys, good luck to everyone who enters the giveaway. I love you guys, and I'll see you guys next time.